Hey, good morning. This is Bill Maskas in MarineMax in Stuart, and today I'm going to show you this wonderful Scout 215 Dorado we just got from the factory. Starting from the back, we have the 200 Yamaha, 200 horsepower Yamaha with digital controls and C-Star hydraulic system. Plenty of road holders if you would like to fish the boat. Nice heavy-duty cleats that are recessed. Your anchor line goes here. You have a ski post for water sports. I like the transom door that protects the smaller occupants on the boat from accidentally going towards the back. You have your live well right over here. Your water fill up is right in the middle. Cup holders, nice removable seat. Goes completely out of the way when you do not need it. Bilge access right underneath. Holders for your boat hook or gaff or broom on both sides. Nice stereo system with the controls right on the helm. 2 captain's chairs. Nice area to leave your phone and a couple of cup holders and document holders right in front. Charging board to the left. Coming to the helm station, you have your glove compartment below. Starter stop for the engine. Digital controls. There's a start and stop also, up and down over here or over here, depending how you holding the lever. Yamaha instrumentation, 9-inch Garmin multifunction screen, your trim tabs with LED lighting to show you what position your trim tabs are, and they are auto retracting, and then all your basic switching in a convenient reach. I love the bimini option on this boat because it gives you a nice coverage, and if you want, if it is a cooler day, you can remove it very easily and have a very sleek look on the lines of the boat. The windshield, they redesigned it. There is barely any seams that you can see, and the glass is super thick to protect you from the elements, and it's a very sturdy glass. Come to the front area, to the bow area. You have comfortable loungers for 2 people and maybe another person sitting on the front. Cup holders. The front ones are cup holder slash rod holder, so they have dual purpose. The railings are awesome. They give you a great sense of security while you're sitting down. And in the front you have your anchor. This boat is not equipped with a windlass, it just has the anchor locker on the front. There is the head right over here on the port side, and inside there you see all the covers and supports for the covers. Storage underneath the floor and storage underneath the seats. And then one other last feature that I didn't mention earlier, you have the fender clips, 2 in each side. The fenders clip from one side, and you can easily change to the other side if you have to, or just pull them up and store them without adjusting your lines. And also you do not lose a tying point, a cleat, to a fender. This concludes our short presentation of this awesome 215 Dorado from Scout. This is Bill Maskas, and we are in MarineMax in Stuart. Check us out on the website for all details and contact information. Thank you so much for watching.